So, never a day goes by where something goes wrong, but hey, we've got a problem, and it's with Freddie. So, let me show you. Right, put the camera there, make sure we're neutral, and swap that over. You'll see the lights will go out. Clearly handbrake is on, door is open, but we have an airbag light, and that's the bit we've got to sport. So I found a place that can repair them. Apparently they give a lifetime warranty, and I'll tell you more about that later. But let me show you how to remove the airbag module.
Off you go, take us far and wide, through the mountains by the seaside. Our home on wheels where dreams collide. With you go, we'll never need to hide.
Quite straightforward to do. So first of all, lift this where your battery unit is. And yes, I had pre-loosened it, and to make it easier I removed this as well. Okay, then it is this case of undoing 3 bolts. So let's go. One. Normally F4, but it seems quite cool that they're using 1. The cable is there to hold it in place as well. So, it's undone. Don't drop the bolt nuts I have. 1 there. I think there's the one under there. There you go. And these, you press this down. Make sure it's pressed all the way down. Sit confidently, there you go. 1 out. Similar here. 2 out. There's your unit. It's out. Okay, that's how straightforward it is. Now, I tend to put the nuts back on just so then I don't forget. And what we're going to do is we're going to send that away to a company that I think is called Crash Data. Recommended to me by a friend, that you can either buy a new one from Citroen for, I believe, about £400. Don't want to do that. Well, apparently Crash Data will repair yours, turn it around within a few days for £160, and it has a lifetime warranty. Even if it's a limited lifetime, which is for the time you own it, I think that's worthwhile. So that's what we're going to do. So we're going to find out how good they are. Let's go to the next stage. Let's contact Crash Data and see if they can fix my module. Okay, apparently not. So Crash Data hasn't been able to help. So I have apparently a dead airbag module, and apparently you have to match up the part number to get a replacement. So I had a choice of buying a second-hand one, with all the dangers that probably brings in. Does it work? Doesn't it work? If it doesn't work, do you get your money back? Then, once you've bought it, despite it being the same part number, you need it to be programmed for your van. Now, I'm sure there are people that can program it, but if they haven't supplied it, I would imagine the charge would be relatively high. And the prices I saw were between 160 and 200 quid for a second-hand one, plus, I don't know, maybe 100 quid to program it. So I've bit the bullet. I've ordered a new one, and they're going to charge 25 quid. So it's £400 for the module, 25 quid to do it, 423 quid I think it is. But it comes with a year's warranty. I can take the van over there, they can do it pretty much while I wait. So I'm figuring the risk of the extra 150 quid might well be worth it. The place I'm going to is Coastal Motorhomes in Ringwood. So I shall let you know how I get on. Right, off to Coastal Motorhomes. Right, so I'm at Coastal Motorhomes. That's the new unit that replaces the old unit. So what they want me to do is plug that all back in, and then they'll come and program it for me. So let's get on and do that. Right, here we have the new unit. So in one, in two, plugged in, and now I've got to just screw them down. That's the new one. There is a heads up plugged into the ODB.
Oh, right. Oh, that's your thing, is it?
Yeah. Works really well, actually.
Fiddly to get out.
Yeah, you need to have the wire on one end and the finger on the other.
Yeah.
Put it out straight.
You got the ignition key?
Yep. I guess so. So what does this proxy thing actually do?
My understanding is it pretty, in simple terms, is just telling the van to stop talking to the old one and talk to the new one.
Oh, okay. Okay.
It might be something completely different it's doing.
No, but that sort of makes sense. Are they notorious for going wrong, the airbag one?
I think yours is an old number, isn't it? Yeah, it's probably original, that, isn't it, the date?
It does look original, doesn't it?
So that's original. I think
I
once
suppose-
they're replaced with the newer ones, they don't tend to go wrong.
Okay.
Because people don't ring us up with the number off the newest numbers. Like,
Oh,
people ring
okay.
us up with
So
the old,
it's the old numbers, yeah.
People
okay.
don't ring us up with the new number.
Fair
And
enough.
then, so I assume...
Well, if
they
it's
don't-
lasted 10 years anyway.
Yeah,
so.
so I assume you don't get as many issues with the later numbers. Or they've changed something or improved something.
I also noticed that when I disconnected it, the seatbelt light was on. I assume that's connected with the airbag because it's got pre-tensioners.
Yeah, I imagine they probably all run through the same. Mileage doesn't flash in, which...
Yeah, the triangle is something separate, I think.
Yeah. That's all done.
Wonderful.
All done. Yeah.
You did say it's going to be 5 minutes, so...
Yeah, it's quite simple. If you got the right software...
Isn't that
it's
true?
easy. If
Isn't
you-
that
A
true?
lot of diagnostic systems, people will spend ages doing it and then realise it won't do it.
Now, interestingly, I did buy some diags which seem to work fine on cars. I bought a VPIC one, which is a Bluetooth diags,
Yeah.
and it picked up the error that's the triangle is giving me,
Yeah.
but it doesn't seem to pick up any U-based errors, and I don't know.
This one. If you get this one, it's designed for Fiats, but you can use it on Citroens for everything except the... Is this a 2.2, is it?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, so you wouldn't be able to access the engine because it doesn't have... because something's different on them.
Okay.
If it had a 3 litre, you'd be able to access the engine, but you can access all the body, airbags,
And it's a multi-Q scan.
multi-ECU scan, yeah.
Okay.
Designed for Fiat. But you can't... You just tell it it's a Ducato. And
Yeah,
it will
yeah.
connect- it
They
will
all come
connect
from
to
the
do
same
that.
factory, don't
It
they?
will connect to do that bit, but they don't seem to work on engines on the Peugeots.
I guess because the engines are
Because
from
they-
Peugeot Citroen,
yeah,
aren't they?
and they haven't put that in there because it's designed for
For Ducato.
the Fiat group.
Okay.
Yeah. Well, all done.
Wonderful.
No
Oh, oh.
no problem. Lovely. All right, thank you.
Have you got the seat? That's brilliant. All right.
Lovely. All right,
Thank you very much.
No problem.
Thank you.
I don't know if it's heat.
Well, there you go. He said it'd be 5 minutes, and it's been 5 minutes. There's the old one. We'll do some sort of sacrificial burning of that, I guess. But let's have a look. See what we've got. Got in here. Oops, it's a bit close. Let's have a look. Look at that. The lights have gone off. Let's see whether the seatbelt light goes off. Does go off. Handbrake off. Oh, come on, cruise control. Look at that. No lights. Why, I love it. Love it when a plan comes together, eh? Cool. Now, let's trundle on home. Diddly do. Right, let's make our way home. Thanks for watching.